Advanced Engineering. Just want to do a quick product overview of our Volkswagen individual throttle body kits that we are now offering. They are available on our website, so do check them out. Just wanted to cover some of the options that we offer so we can give you an idea of what is available and answer any of those questions that you might have. So we are offering these kits for the VW range, so a lot of the old Golf GTIs, so the KR engine, 9A engine, also the 8-valve Golf GTI engine, the 1600, the 1800, we can do all of those options. We can do a set of DCOE throttle bodies like this in silver or black. This is a silver set if you want that classic look. We also do the black ones, okay, for a more modern look. And like I say, we can do these for the various engine options with our nicely fabricated inlet manifold. It comes with the linkage already assembled and working, okay, so you just need to get your throttle cable up. Comes with either a billet fuel rail like this, or we can do the slightly cheaper two-piece fuel rail like so, and with various end termination options. We've got the push-on fitting like that, or we can do the AN style fittings, or we can do the quick release style if you have a more modern fuel system. Obviously they come with our lovely CNC trumpets. Okay, we've got a set of 25mm ones there. We do 50mm and we do 90mm long. And of course we do the pipe across air filters. We can do a very shallow dome style sausage filter, or we can do these nice pod filters like so, because we know that they are tight on bonnet clearance and radiator clearance in many of the Golfs, Sciroccos and that sort of thing. So yeah, get on our website, have a look. Obviously they come with fully with injectors. You don't have to spec injectors, but we do a range of genuine Bosch injectors as well. So yeah, if you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. There will be a link there to have a look at these on our website and make a purchase should you wish. So yeah, please do like and share, subscribe and all that stuff, and we will speak to you soon. Thank you.